So there is a need that we're gonna need to learn faster. But this problem is larger than life. Our traditional techniques are not gonna work. So as a performance scientist, I have been very curious how the leaders in the future are gonna learn at a faster rate so that they can stay ahead of the business. I found in my research that you need to have a different thinking process. And that thinking process starts with the outcome, going backward. And I also found that it's not about your agility of your brain or your capability of your brain. It's all about thinking process. How do you take the right actions? In order to learn fast something, you're gonna need to unlearn first. You need to change your thinking process and you need to have a different mindset. I call it outcome-driven thinking process. It's a pretty simple but unconventional process. Let me draw your attention to one thing here. In a business context, what exactly are you supposed to produce? You are supposed to produce outcomes, solutions, projects, KPIs. You are not getting paid for doing the task. You are getting paid for producing the outcomes. For a firefighter, what's the outcome? Outcome is putting off the fire. He's not getting paid for holding the water hose. So same way, your customer pay you for the outcome, and your ability to learn faster is determined by how fast you can achieve those reliable outcomes, not by doing a task faster. How many of you are professional speakers here? You want to be a professional speaker. Have you defined your outcome? Will it be the dollars per month? Will it be the number of booking you make per month? Or will it be delivering a TEDx talk? What is your outcome? If you don't know your outcome or KPI, you wouldn't know how much or how less learning is good enough. So number one is define your outcome. You have heard that some of our professional speakers, they're going to be virtual speaker for life. And guess what? The skill pertaining to on-stage speaker is not going to be applicable to them. So they don't need to invest any time there. So you need to understand from the outcome that you don't need to master everything upfront. Certain things can wait, and it's going to save you much time. It's going to take you forward much faster. How many of you have delivered the virtual talk? When you deliver the virtual talk, your focus is on delivering the message. That's the mastery you need, not the mastery in operating the Zoom software. That's a task. The outcome is delivering the message to the customer. And that's what defines integration skill. Focus on integration skill. That's going to package your outcome.